Hello, my name is Kendall Cook, and today I am going to show you how to navigate Google Earth. First, on your computer, open Google Earth. Once you are on Google Earth, you can engage in many tasks. To move around, drag with your mouse. To zoom in and out, press the zoom in and out icons, or simply use your mouse to zoom in and out. Now click the menu icon. This is where you can look through several actions to do on Google Earth. To find a specific place, such as your home or school like I did, click the search icon. Under search, there is a Voyager icon where you can explore nature, games, street view, culture, travel, education, etc. Under Voyager, there is an I am feeling lucky icon that takes you to different areas around the world and provides you with an abundant amount of information. This took us to Tortuga Island in Venezuela. Under I am feeling lucky, there is a projects icon where you can create presentations by marking places on the globe. You can either create new presentations or import existing presentations. Under projects, there is a map style icon where you can choose different views. For example, clean style is imagery only. There are no borders, labels, or roads. Exploration style is imagery plus most places of interest, like borders, labels, and roads. Everything style is all of the above, plus landmarks, businesses, public transit, etc. And custom style is choosing which features you want to find when you use Google Earth. After deciding the map style that you prefer, you can turn on 3D buildings, animated clouds, or gridlines. If you enable 3D buildings and animated clouds, it will show newer imagery and increase the overall performance of Google Earth. If you turn on latitude and longitude gridlines, you can learn about geographic coordinates and get your approximate location on the Earth's surface. Turning on gridlines will also show you the 5 major circles of latitude, the equator, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn, as well as the prime meridian. Under map style, there is a measure distance and area icon where you can select start and end points on the globe. You are then given the distance between those points, which can be converted into centimeters, meters, kilometers, nautical miles, inches, feet, yards, miles, or smoots.